Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a spicy tuna melt. Alright, as you can see here in my bowl, I have 2 cans of tuna. They are not the 5-ounce cans. They're like the, 18-ounce, whatever those bigger cans are that you see everywhere at Target, Walmart, your local grocery store. I have 2 of them. And to that, we're going to add about half a cup, 3/4 of a cup of mayo. This recipe really is the definition of just eyeballing the son of a bitch. Then we're going to want to add about, tablespoon and a half of green chilies. Then we're going to want to add about 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons of relish. Just because we want that crunchiness in our tuna salad. Then some sprigs of hot sauce. How hot you want it to be is up to you. I went for probably 5 or 6 sprigs. Again, this is a real, make it, taste it. Then we want about 1/4 cup of chipotle sauce. Again, like I said, keep everything there because you can always add. But taking out is a bitch. Anyway, we want to have some salt and, of course, freshly ground black pepper. And then I'm going to sprinkle in just a little bit of chipotle powder. Obviously, if you cannot find chipotle powder, cayenne is fine. Chili powder is good. Red pepper powder is good. Just something hot. And now we want to stir this around until everything gets mixed and is nice and is happy. And then make sure you taste for additional seasoning. Again, like I said, this recipe is a real eyeball. I made up this recipe literally walking the goddamn aisles of a grocery store. So, again, it's wide open for anyone to take a thing. Anyway, let's get to making my sandwich. Alright, as you can see here, I got some nice pumpernickel bread. And we have some nice Munster cheese on one side of the bread. I like Munster because it melts really, really nice. Now we're going to add our tuna mix. And again, I know some people find this heretical, but I never add tuna mix to bread because all it does is just suck up all the damn mayo. Then I'm going to add a nice slice of cheddar. Then put the top piece of bread on. I know, I thought about adding pickles, but I didn't have any hot and spicy and didn't want to take away. Then I'm going to butter this side of the bread, and I'm going to bring it to a griddle and let it toast up. Alright, as you can see here, got my sandwich, and it's griddling. Let's give it a couple of minutes, and then zip ahead in time, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing. Alright! And that's that. Spicy tuna melt. Done.